Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to show Steam game activity on your Discord profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This step helps establish a smoother connection between Steam and Discord, making the linking process much easier when you authorize access later. Now, open your Discord app on your computer. Once you're in Discord, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will take you directly into your user settings where you can customize various aspects of your Discord account. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Connections. This is where Discord allows you to link all your external accounts and services, from gaming platforms to social media, so your friends can see what you're up to across different platforms. Next, click on the Steam icon. This will prompt Discord to begin the authorization process with your Steam account. You'll need to sign in to complete the connection, so go ahead and click Sign In. This action will redirect you to Steam's authorization page, where you'll confirm that you want to allow Discord to access your Steam information and display your gaming activity. After you've completed the sign-in process, go back to your Discord app. Now comes the important part where you control exactly what information gets displayed. Make sure the display on profile option is turned on. This toggle is what actually allows your Steam activity to appear on your Discord profile, so your friends and server members can see what games you're currently playing or have recently played. Also, make sure the display details in profile option is turned on as well. This setting takes things a step further by showing more specific information about your gaming sessions, including game titles, playtime, and other relevant details that make your profile more interactive and engaging. And that's it. Your Steam game activity will now appear on your Discord profile, letting everyone know what you're playing in real time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.